What's up everyone? Want to give you a quick update about where we're at today. So I spent the last couple of days working on a bit more details to the game. So I created a basic sprite sheet just to make the game look a little better and get a sense of the world. I worked on the trap animation. So originally when the traps were in, it was kind of hard to tell when they were about to trigger. So right now they work similar to how enemies work, where they're on a timer, and so you're able to kind of navigate through them. So that's been a good implementation. So I've also added in animations for the enemy, so each enemy now has its own animation system built in. The player also has attack animation added in. Before it was kind of difficult to tell what was happening, but now you can tell when the player is attacking or the enemy is attacking. So the traps are spawned randomly. Right now for the random traps I only really have the spikes added in, but they're in there and you're able to move through them as you would on a regular tile. I also implemented items into the world, so this kind of adds a bit more scope to the world, if you will. The arrow trap now has a sprite attached to it, and it's also triggered by you being close to it, and the animation will also go off only when it's attacking. Like I said, the enemies have animation, so that's a good breath of air to the game. You can keep working your way through. I also added in that players or enemies can destroy anything along their way. Before it kind of get them stuck behind something to give yourself time, but now if there's a box in front of them, you can have them destroy it, and so you can't hide behind objects right now, which I think adds a bit more strategy to the game. So that's where we're at today. I want to keep adding in more content into the system. Right now it's kind of plain, and then I feel like a bit more variety would spice up the game. So that's where I'm at today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.